Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two of the top live TV streaming services, YouTube TV and Sling TV. Let's get started. First up is YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers over 100 plus live channels, including popular networks like ESPN, CNN, ABC, and NBC. One of its standout features is the unlimited cloud DVR, which lets you record as much as you want and keep it for over up to 9 months. Now let's talk about Sling TV. Sling TV is known for being budget friendly and offers two main plans, Sling Blue and Sling Orange. They offer different channel lineups. Sling Orange focuses on sports and family content, while Sling Blue includes more news and entertainment channels. So, which one should you choose? If you want tons of channels, local TV, and unlimited DVR, and you don't mind paying for more for a premium service, YouTube TV is a great choice. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with customizable packages, Sling TV is perfect for you.